Hi, I'm here in the snow in northern Norway to talk to you about the new Outdoor Research Allies line Gore Mountain Pant. Now the pant is made from 3-layer 70 denier Gore, which has a nylon face. Now that means that it's very hard wearing. The other thing though is with this particular fabric it still retains that lightweightness that you want from a pant of this particular nature. So you can blend the robustness that you want from something you're going to use in a professional environment with the lightweightness that allows you to really draw down the weight that you're carrying. Now the features of this particular pant, if I start at the hem, excuse me, you'll see that you have a Velcro closure and a normal fly zip. And that just allows you to do what you need to do when you're out here for a long period of time without really having to break apart lots of different layers and whatnot. You can see that there is also some brace loops, and obviously 2 at the front and 1 at the back, and actually in this environment I'd definitely say that that's something you'd look to have. On the side you can see there's a Velcro attachment here and a full zip. Now on this particular piece that I'm wearing, this is a pre-production piece and it has got black zips in it, but the actual items that come through would be tonally correct. The other thing to point out as well is you can see it's probably a bit big for me, this trouser, and would be better with my slightly shorter legs to be a medium. If we go down to the hemline, you have a elasticated hem, which means it gets a really nice tight closure around everything, but there's enough give in it to fit over any of the boots that would be used by the professional user. Now, as far as where this piece fits for me, whether you're in the Highlands of Scotland on the mountains where you need that really bomb-proof, waterproof feature, then it's absolutely ideal. And also in this environment, but it's very much more like an over trouser in that entity. You've got really good access on the zips, and it does an excellent job at being that. So it's very light, very packable, and very robust. So a perfect piece for those kind of really rugged, tough kind of extended periods of time that you might do in a mountain and Arctic environment.